In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk add tags in Mailchimp step by step. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize large groups of contacts quickly and efficiently. Whether you're segmenting your audience based on campaign activity, customer type, purchase behavior, or any custom category, bulk tagging helps you stay organized and target your emails much more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in to your account using your login credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main control center for managing campaigns, audiences, and overall email activity. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This section is where all your contacts are stored and managed. Think of it as your main database for subscribers. Once you're inside the Audience section, click on All Contacts. This will display your full contact list in a table format. Here, you'll see details like email addresses, names, and any tags or activity associated with each contact. Now, this is where the bulk action begins. At the top of the contact table, you'll see a checkbox. Clicking this checkbox will select all contacts currently visible on the page. If you want to apply tags to your entire audience, this is the fastest way to do it. However, if you only want to tag specific contacts, you can manually select individual checkboxes next to each contact's name. This gives you full control over exactly who gets tagged. Once you've selected your contacts, look just above the table for the Add to Tag drop-down option. Click on it to open the available actions. From the drop-down, select Tag Contacts. This will open a pop-up window where you can manage your tagging options. Inside this pop-up, you'll have two choices. You can either create a new tag by clicking Create New Tag and typing in a name that describes your group, for example, something like VIP, New Leads, or Webinar Attendees. Or, if you already have tags created, you can simply select one from the existing list. This is especially helpful if you're maintaining a consistent tagging system across multiple campaigns. After choosing or creating your tag, click Apply. Mailchimp will instantly assign that tag to all the selected contacts. Once it's done, you can verify by clicking on any contact profile and checking the Tag section. You'll see your newly added tag listed there. Now here's a quick tip. Try to keep your tag names clear and consistent. This makes it much easier to filter your audience later and create targeted email campaigns without confusion. Bulk tagging is powerful because it saves time and allows you to segment your audience in seconds instead of editing contacts one by one. And that's it. You've successfully bulk added tags in Mailchimp and made your audience much easier to manage and target. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help.